A car accident can change your life in seconds, not only physically, but also emotionally and financially. Beyond the damage to your vehicle, you may face medical bills, lost income, and long-term recovery. Today, we'll explain what a car accident personal injury case is, your rights, the steps to take, and how an attorney can help you get the compensation you deserve. What is a car accident personal injury case? In the United States, most personal injury cases are based on negligence. That means if another driver failed to use reasonable care, for example, by speeding, texting while driving, or running a red light, they, or their insurance company, may be legally responsible for your damages. You may be entitled to compensation for medical expenses, both current and future. This covers emergency room visits, surgeries, rehabilitation, physical therapy, prescription medication, and any ongoing treatment you may need for months or even years after the accident. Lost wages and reduced earning capacity. If your injuries prevent you from working temporarily or permanently, you can claim the income you've already lost, as well as future earnings you might never be able to make. Pain and suffering. This refers to the physical pain and emotional distress caused by the accident, things like chronic pain, anxiety, depression, loss of enjoyment of life, or the inability to do activities you once loved. Vehicle repair or replacement. You can seek reimbursement for the cost to repair your car or, if it's totaled, to replace it entirely. For example, in California, Vehicle Code 23103 clearly defines what qualifies as reckless driving, and Civil Code 1714 establishes that a person is responsible for injuries caused by their lack of ordinary care or skill, the legal foundation for negligence claims. As a victim, you have the right to file a claim against the at-fault driver, holding them legally and financially responsible for your injuries and losses. You can also negotiate a fair settlement before going to trial, which can save time, stress, and legal costs while still ensuring you get the compensation you deserve. Your medical treatment may be covered by the at-fault party's insurance or by your own policy, depending on the laws in your state. In no-fault states like Florida, your own insurance covers certain medical expenses regardless of who caused the accident, but you may still take legal action if your injuries meet the state's definition of serious injury. Why an attorney is crucial. A personal injury attorney plays a key role in protecting your rights and ensuring you receive the compensation you deserve. They carefully review your case to determine your eligibility for compensation and advise you on the best strategy to pursue. Insurance companies often try to minimize payouts, so your attorney will handle all negotiations, making sure you aren't pressured into an unfair settlement. They also gather all necessary evidence, including medical records, expert opinions, and witness statements, to build a strong case on your behalf. If your case goes to court, your attorney will represent you, guiding you through each step of the legal process. How the legal process begins. The legal process begins with an initial consultation with your attorney, where you discuss the details of your case and potential options. Next comes a thorough investigation and evidence gathering, including medical records, accident reports, and witness statements. Once enough information is collected, your attorney will file a claim or lawsuit on your behalf. This is often followed by settlement negotiations with the insurance company or opposing party. If a fair agreement cannot be reached, the case may proceed to trial, where your attorney will present your case in court to fight for the compensation you deserve. Evidence fades fast, and the sooner you act, the stronger your case becomes. In many states, the statute of limitations for personal injury cases is only 2 years from the date of the accident. Don't wait until bills and stress pile up. Know your rights, get legal advice, and protect your future. If you've been injured in a car accident, We're here to fight for the compensation you deserve. Contact us today for a free consultation.